my wounded civilian family, my brothers and sisters, I want to ask my southern politicians, my southern people, when una mumugu do? When una mumugu do? Proof what Charlie Boyer and his group, what they are saying, Nigerian youth, when our mug don't do all this nonsense they are saying. Look, when you say Nigerian youth, it's like you are saying Nigeria is a kind of a united country. Nigeria is not united. When you say Nigerian youth, it's like you are deceiving yourself. If you want to talk to the southern youth, say southern youth, because the mindset of the southern youth is different from the mindset of the northern youth. If you want to talk to the southern youth, go straight to them. If you want to talk to the southern youth, go straight to them, because we don't think alike. We don't think alike. You understand me? So all this your mumu don't do, they are singing me, I don't give a shit. They are deceiving themselves. The real question here is that our people from the south, politicians from the south, when una mumu go do, our people, when our mumu go do, we the southerners, we have been a slave for too long. When we go wake up, when we go realize and be wise and liberate ourselves. This is not Nigeria when una mumu go do. No. We are fooling ourselves by saying Nigeria when our mumu go do. It is the southern people when una mumu go do. When our mumu go do. You know, I am making this video because of one man, Senator Ovie Omo Agege, or Agege Bread. I call him Agege Bread Senator. For those who don't know that slave, that man, that slave, Omo Ovie Agege is the senator representing the Delta Central Senatorial District. For those who don't know him, he's a senator supposed to be in the Senate or at the Senate, representing his people, working to for the betterment of his people. That is the reason why that man is there at the Senate. But that man went there. He want to be Buhari's boy. He want to prove to Buhari he is a good slave. He went there and left and forget about what he's there for. Instead of fighting for Buhari. Instead of him to be fighting for his people, for his state, where they are getting oil from, that is feeding these blood-sucking people in the north, that is feeding these northerners. Instead of him to be asking questions, instead of him to be fighting for the betterment of his own state, to be defending his people, instead of him to be, defending his people there, he's there fighting for Buhari, who don't even need him, who don't even need his help. So my question is, who they advise this Hausa Fulani slave Omo Agege? Because he said some talks now to go and be stealing for him. Just like they invade Nigerian soil, they invaded Nigerian soil, they have invaded the National Assembly. APC, a party of vagabonds and rogues. He sent talks now to go and be stealing for him. So my advice is this. Who is advising this man, this slave? Who is advising him? Few weeks ago, this slave, Omo Agege, joined the northern politicians, fighting the Senate, fighting the Nigerian Senate on behalf of Buhari. He left what he's supposed to be doing, what his people send him there, what they send him there for. To go and be represented, he left all the job he's supposed to be doing there. He colluded with these northern blood-sucking politicians and fighting for Buhari. He was insulting the Senate, fighting on behalf of Buhari, instead of the interests of his people. Only him apologized. He apologized. They makes him apologize. Only him apologized. Only him was suspended. They suspended. He was suspended. Only him they suspended. They left the rest people. They left the rest people. After apologizing, he ran to court. He apologized to Senate for what he said against the Senate. After apologizing, he went to court. He took the Senate to court after apologizing. Now only him led a talk to go and thief mice, and they have arrested him. They have arrested him. Only him come alone. He's alone now, all alone now. The Senate suspended him for 3 months. The Senate suspended him. So my question is that where is all these northern friends? His northern friends. Because they were there together, insulting the Senate for something that is none of his business. Buhari don't even need your help. Go and defend your people. You were there defending your slave master. You were defending your slave master. He have been arrested now. Where is his northern friends? His fellow members in the parliamentary support group for Buhari from the north. Those guys from the north who gave him mic to be talking nonsense the other day. Where is this his friends now? He's not sending, he's all alone. They have abandoned him now. The fool, they have abandoned the fool now. He's all alone now to face the music. That is the reason why I say my southern people. When una mumu go do, when our mumu go do in the south, that is why I said the other day, look at them. We are holding meeting. We need restructuring. I said you are holding meeting for nothing. Look now. They had their meeting that day. That's the end of the story. The Yoruba said their own meeting for restructuring. That is the end of the story. And even the Biafran, their Biafra agitation, that is the end of the story. It is action now, the time of doing kule kule. You want to do kule kule. You don't want to use action. These people will not take it serious. Not until we unite together, begin to give action. Give them action. It is not to destroy our government properties in our state. No. It's to shut down everything. That is the only way these animals, these northern politicians will listen to, especially these ones in government. You think only meeting here and there will solve the problem? I know what I'm talking about. These people don't respect you. Look at this shy Muslim group now. El Sasaki, the court said he should be released. But the whole useless, brain-dead, competent Buhari said no. He is God now. He's the one to, he have the power to kill somebody, to kill people, and nobody will question him. The court said, we're supposed to be in democracy. The court said he should be released, but Buhari said no, he must die in prison. Look at these people now, they are demonstrating now because they have been keeping quiet. They have been demonstrating peacefully. They know that there will be no solution. Buhari is ready. Buhari said he wants to come back again. He's ready to keep that man there for another 4 or 5 years. That's why this people they are beginning to demonstrate now, protest. That is what our Biafra people are supposed to be doing now. Our Biafra, this is not a Biafra. It is time to ask for the whereabouts. I have been singing with it. Me, I am going to start, I'm going to launch a program asking the whereabouts of Nnamdi Kanu, because enough is enough. This keeping quiet, we don't know where, if he's with government or Nnamdi Kanu is not with government, nobody knows. No, this is nonsense. This is 2018. No, we have to know. If he's with the government, we know. If he's not with the government, we know, because people like us, we sacrifice our life. We sacrifice so many things. We sacrifice a lot for Biafra movement. Cannot just die down like this. We don't know the whereabouts Nnamdi Kanu. Some of the Biafra members are still languishing in jail, just like that. Because we have one almost 80 years old man as president. We should be ashamed of ourselves. It is time to give these people, give that blood-sucking Buhari some action. Now that he's preparing to come back again. We start to agitate now. It is time for us to start agitating now, to let him know. There's no chance for you. You want to contest. You want to come back again because you like it. And you don't want to give us what we like. You just kill us, fight us, jail us, what we like, what we believe in. But you want to be president. Nobody kills you. You are not the president. You want to come back again for other people because what you like. Then what about what we like? What we like, you want to kill us, you want to jail us? No. My people, stop fighting on social media. Social media is not where you fight. Social media is where you share ideas. Let's share ideas and let's start to push for some action. Let's start to push for some action. So my people, that's the reason why I'm making this video. I don't here to, because of this Omoagege bread. want to be a loyal slave to his master. Where is those people who were encouraging him to be talking nonsense, to be accusing the Senate, to telling him to go and sue the Senate? Where are the northern? Because you are a slave, Omoagege. People like, we have so many Omoagege people like that, or in the south, them Okrosha, them all these idiots. We have them. We have them who think they are the same rank with those northern slaves. Because you smile with these people, you think they see you as one of them because you are fighting for Buhari. The moment, like Okrosha now, who think they love him, that fool who think they love him. I bet this Joy Bokwe in Lagos, who thinks the Northerners love him. Condemn Buhari today, you will know these people, they will rain curse on you. Condemn Buhari in any way, they will rain curse on you. They once praised Obasanjo to the high heaven. The moment Obasanjo said, no, Buhari, you are fair. Hey, Obasanjo is now a criminal. Anybody against Buhari is a criminal. Anybody against Buhari is a looter. Anybody, including me that is talking, I am bad. Because the moment you start to